cheap cameras in 2021. 1. Nikon D3500. The best entry-level DSLR out there is great value. Type: DSLR sensor, APS-C CMOS, 24.2 MP lens mount, Nikon F screen, 3-inch, 921K dots viewfinder, optical continuous shooting, 5 frames per second movies, 1080p user level, beginner. 2. Fujifilm X-T20. A retro-styled mirrorless model with plenty of features. Type: mirrorless sensor, APS-C X-Trans CMOS 3, 24.2 MP lens mount, Fujifilm X screen, 3-inch, tilting, 1040K dots viewfinder, electronic continuous shooting, 8 frames per second movies, 4K 60p user level, beginner/enthusiast. Excellent handling. Retro styling. Film simulation modes. Limited touchscreen functionality. Restricted battery life. 3. Sony HX90V. A super slim 30x zoom camera, ideal for day trips and travels. Type: compact sensor, 1/1.23 inch, 18.2 MP lens, 30x zoom, 24 to 720 mm, equivalent, monitor, 3-inch, 921K dots, tilting viewfinder, 0.2 inch, pop-up EVF continuous shooting, 10 frames per second movies, 1080p/60p user level, beginner. Lengthy zoom. Pop-up EVF. Tilting screen. No raw shooting. No touch screen. 4. Apeman A100. Don't let its cheap looks fool you, this budget buy shoots great 4K. Type: action weight, 74G waterproofing, 40mm, with case, 4K video, up to 50 frames per second 1080 video, up to 60 frames per second 720 video, up to 120 frames per second stills resolution, up to 20 MP battery life, 120 minutes user level, beginner/enthusiast. Great 4K video. Good handling. Great value. Audio quality poor. Image stabilization could be better. Very simple body design. 5. Sony A6000. It's a high-spec camera at a low-spec price. Type: mirrorless sensor, APS-C CMOS, 24.3 MP lens mount, Sony E-mount screen, 3.0 inch tilt angle, 921K dots viewfinder, yes, EVF continuous shooting speed, 11 frames per second movies, 1080p user level, beginner/enthusiast. Good specs even now. 11 frames per second burst shooting. No touch screen. Full HD video only. 6. Olympus ONDEM10 Mark IV. A compact and competent stills camera for beginners. Type: mirrorless sensor, 16 MP lens mount, micro 4/3 screen, 3-inch, 1,037K touchscreen viewfinder, 2.36 m EVF continuous shooting, 8.6 frames per second movies, 4K/30p user level, beginner/intermediate type, mirrorless sensor, 20.3 MP lens mount, micro 4/3 monitor, 3-inch tilting touchscreen, 1,037K dots viewfinder, 2.36 m EVF continuous shooting, 15 frames per second. Movies, 4K/30p user level, beginner. Capable stabilized sensor, compact body, no microphone input, autofocus isn't cutting edge. 7. Sony CyberShot WX220. Not new, but still a very capable compact all-rounder. Type: compact sensor, CMOS, 18.2 MP lens mount, not applicable screen, 2.7 inch, 460K dots viewfinder, not applicable continuous shooting, 10 frames per second movies, 1080/60p user level, beginner. Compact form. Bright and punchy images. 10x optical zoom. No grip or thumb rest. Convoluted menu system. 8. Panasonic TZ100. An older travel zoom compact that's still got serious skills. Type: compact sensor, 1-inch CMOS, 20.1 MP lens mount, not applicable screen, 3-inch, 1,040K touchscreen viewfinder, 0.2 inch, 1,160K EVF continuous shooting, 9.9 frames per second movies, 4K/30p user level, beginner. 1-inch sensor. 10x optical zoom. 4K video. Small electronic viewfinder. Fixed screen. 9. Fujifilm Instax Mini 9. Simple instant printing fun for all the family. Type: instant sensor. Not applicable lens mount. Not applicable screen. Not applicable viewfinder. Optical continuous shooting. Not applicable movies. Not applicable user level. Beginner. Simple to use. Excellent value. Limited controls. Quality could be better. 10. Sony CyberShot RX100 III. A great all-round compact camera with a large sensor. Type: compact sensor. 1-inch, 20.1 MP lens, 24 to 70 mm, f/1.8-2.8 monitor, 3-inch, 1,300K dots viewfinder, EVF continuous shooting, 10 frames per second movies, 1080p UHD user level, beginner/intermediate. High-res viewfinder. Large sensor. Bright lens. No touch screen. Limited RAW functionality. Finally, at last, let's see the glance of cameras. Nikon D3500. Fujifilm X-T20. Sony HX90V. Apeman A100. Sony A6000. Olympus ONDEM10 Mark IV. Sony WX220. Panasonic Lumix ZS100/TZ100. Fujifilm Instax Mini 9. Sony CyberShot RX100. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at captures_of_Kamaran. Until then, signing off. Bye and stay home, stay safe. I.